Charlene? Ate, ma'am. Wow!
Thank you so much. Even though harayu iya.
And with that, the 2023 season is to an end. Good night.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts. We deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Lady and Samar. Surprises and gifts delivery.
Hello guys, good evening everyone, and we are bound to Barangay Alang-Alang Leyte, and we are on our third set of surprise for today's video. At ayun papunta tayo ngayon sa Barangay San Francisco, Alang-Alang Leyte para surpresa si Mom Charlene sa kanyang birthday. So ayun, advance birthday celebration nga pala to, kay tomorrow pa po yung birthday ni Mom Charlene. So ayun, may nagpa-advance birthday celebration lang po na special po si Mom Charlene para sa kanya. So ayun, maraming salamat po from our anonymous sender for choosing surprise gift delivery for being a part of advance birthday celebration for Mom Charlene. So ayun, sa mga nais pong magpa-surpresa sa kanila mga mahal sa buhay dito sa Summerland Leyte, just contact surprise gift delivery at siguradong safe na safe po yung pera nyo na ipapadala sa amin. Yes! At siguradong makakarating po sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay dito sa Summerland Leyte. At ito po yung set of surprise na napili ni Mom ng sender natin, para sa kanyang minamahal. So yun, meron tayong 12 pieces of combination red and pink roses na fresh, and meron tayong chocolate cake, and then meron tayong free na chocolate para sa ating celebrant, and then meron pa po tayong Jollibee bucket and spaghetti. So ayun, maraming salamat po, and God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out. Ate, nagpipiliin! Ito na ba din? Charlene? Ate, ma'am. Wow!
Pa rin saya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan. Nagabihan na naton surprise. Kaya daw mo nang din-surprise ka na. So, ayan, from Surprises and Gift Delivery, ma'am. Ginkonta kami mo pinakamamahal. Yan na, may message ko hiya para haimo. Advance birthday surprise pala ito para. Kay boss pat imo birthday ano? Okay, sige. Hi, babe. Since malayo ako, ito na muna for your birthday. Tomorrow pa, but alam kong busy ka. Well, I wish you happy birthday. Stay healthy kasi madami pa tayong pag-aawayan. Magkikita pa tayo soon, so take care of yourself for me, okay? I hope you're happy and always stay safe. Have a great day and happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Thank you.
Ayan. Tikang han aton. Anonymous sender, wa? So, yan aliwat, ma'am. Ikaw po na message ko para ha iya. Ano po mo message ko para iya?
That's it. Yeah, thank you so much. Even though harayo iya, I'm fine. Worth it. Hindi ko expect. Busy kasi ako.
Sorry. Sorry ka buwas niya.
Okay, siya ngayon. Kaya pala nag-chat ko yan. Oo.
Ulit-ulitin man.
So, salamat kapan mga boys na nagsusurok kami nga to. Thank you so much, man. And happy birthday. God bless po sa damo pa na birthday umabot nga. Stay strong lah eh. Wow. Sana all. Pwede magpa-picture po. Awan eh, mag-wish ani kita. Patay natin boys na natin celebrant. Nahimo nga ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Blue. Yay! Happy birthday! Damo nga salamat po natin sender. Nalipay po natin celebrant. Thank you and happy birthday. Mapapicture na. Alipan iya, chocolate. Wow. Okay.